Hi, this is Miss Fayetta again, third grade teacher, and I just made a QuickTime video on how to make a spreadsheet. Now I'm going to make a really short video on how to load this to my YouTube channel so my students can see it. I go to the apps, and a lot of people don't know this, but YouTube is an app on Google. It's one of their apps. And I have a channel. Everybody actually has a channel. I'm going to wait for it to load. As it's loading, right here on the plus sign of the camera, I am going to click on it and put upload video. And all I do, I just simply get my video that I made, my 2-minute video, and I just drag it and drop it. And right here, I put how to make a basic spreadsheet. Third grade class makes a basic spreadsheet. And here I could even tag it for others to see. So I could put how to make a spreadsheet. This is how people have searches on YouTube. How to make a spreadsheet. Third grade. How to load on YouTube. Okay, you could put whatever tag you want. That's how people find other people's YouTube videos, for those of you who don't know. Now, it's taking a little bit of time. Then you press publish when it processes all the way. And once it publishes, it will give you a link. See how it gives me a link right now? I could even copy this link for now. Apple copy. But I'm going to return to the editing because it's still uploading. Oh, it's 95% done. I'm going to make a new window and just save it right here. Now, on my Google Classroom, that way my students today, because we just learned how, it took us like 5 to 10 minutes to learn how to make a basic spreadsheet. Oh, here it is. Here's the link. So now I'm going to go to my Google Class, and I'm going to copy this link right here. Copy. And I'm going to say copy paste. And now they could watch it at home tonight so they can show their parents how to make a spreadsheet. And let's see if it works. Cross your fingers. I hope it works. This is Mrs. Fayetta, third grade teacher, and I'm going to show you how to make a quick graph on Excel. Okay, so it worked. So this video just showed you how to upload a video on YouTube. YouTube. Did I say YouTube? Okay, how do I stop this? Say, and boys and girls, if you're screencasting, see that little square sign on the top? That's how you stop.